Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve into the groundbreaking research of Dr. Leonard Coldwell on overcoming cancer. We hope that the insights shared here can offer support and guidance to those who are fighting this challenging disease. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. Before we proceed, it's important to note that I am not a medical professional. The content presented is based on Dr. Coldwell's work and should not replace professional medical advice. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, make sure to check out Dr. Leonard Coldwell's channel for additional resources and insights. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Still on? Okay. Baking soda. A teaspoon of baking soda. A small pot, boil water. Take you some maple syrup. 2 teaspoons. Put inside of the boiling water. Cut off the water, of course. Stir it. Baking soda. Put it in the water. Stir it. And to add more flavor to it, add soursop, lemon juice, fresh lemon. That stuff you get in the bottle. Fresh lemon juice, right? You want to drink 2 glasses before you start your day. Your body, when you first wake up, the first 4 hours of the day, your body's eliminating everything. I did this 3 times a day. The doctors trying to figure out what was I doing, because cancer every 90 days shows a state of progression. The cancer in my body stayed in one place. Now, you got malignant and benign. That means that it's benign, it's not moving. It's malignant, it's spreading. Mine stayed at stage 2 and did not move. Alright? You can kill cancer between 3 and 6 months, and in 9 months your body is completely renewed. It takes 7 to 11 months for your body to completely rebuild itself. Give it what it needs to do it, and you will see the results. I went from 140 pounds. I'm 177 pounds now. I got love handles. I ain't used to this. It works. But you got to put in the discipline. Mother Nature knows what she's doing. Right now, we in spring. If you notice, you may have problems with infections and allergies and stuff. That's because everything you breathe in, it's the same thing I'm dealing with cancer. Everything you breathe in, all through the winter months, it's stored in here, and your body's trying to release it. So when the air opens up, your pores open up. Give your body what it needs. First 3 weeks of the first of the seasons, flush your body out. Detox, detox, detox. Listen very carefully. I'm going to end it from here. The first 3 weeks at the beginning of a season is when you flush out. 3 months, you can kill any disease. Hear that? Every 3 weeks, first of a season, flush your system out of all the toxins. If you're dealing with cancer, diabetes, any illnesses, focus on 3 months. I'm going to even put 4 months because that's bodybuilding time. That's a bodybuilder schedule. 12 weeks. 12 weeks. How many times they want?